How to make authentic spaghetti bolognese. This is everything you will require to make authentic spaghetti bolognese. Ensure that your ingredients are as fresh as possible. To start, we are going to prepare the vegetables. Step 1. Peel and dice 3 carrots. Place the diced carrots into a bowl and put to one side. Now we're going to peel and dice 1 pound of Roma tomatoes. Using a knife, gently remove the skin of the tomatoes. Then thoroughly dice them. Place into a bowl and put to one side for later. Next, we are going to dice 3 garlic cloves. Place into a bowl and put to one side for later. Now we are going to dice 1 large brown onion. Place into a bowl and put to one side for later. Next, we're going to pick 6 fresh basil leaves. Then roughly chop them up. Place into a bowl and put to one side for later. Now it's time to make the bolognese sauce. Place a large skillet onto your cooktop. Turn on medium heat. Place 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the pan. Wait a couple minutes for it to heat up. Add your onion, carrot and garlic. Sauté for 5 minutes. Add 2 pounds of ground beef. Stir. When meat is browned and onions are soft, add tomatoes. Thoroughly stir for approximately 5 minutes. The tomatoes will begin to soften and release their juices. When they have adequately broken down, add your fresh basil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt, and pepper. Thoroughly mix and bring to simmer. Simmer for at least 3 hours, stirring occasionally. The longer you simmer, the better. When it's almost finished simmering, start preparing the pasta. Place a large pot on your stovetop. Fill with water. Turn on high heat. Bring to boil. Carefully place your spaghetti into the boiling water. Don't forget to salt the water. Cook until al dente, usually around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the water immediately. Now it's time to serve the spaghetti bolognese. On a plate, place down your cooked spaghetti. Then several generous scoops of the bolognese sauce. Garnish with fresh basil. This authentic Italian spaghetti bolognese was incredibly easy to make. The sauce is incredibly rich and delicious, and the pasta is cooked to perfection. Buon appetito!
Bring to boil. Remove from heat. Serve and enjoy. Bon appetit!